Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the back post double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, and you will need to know how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those, and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I used regular double crochet stitches. On the row that I'm currently working, I made 2 chains, and then I worked a regular double crochet into this first stitch right here. So I'm ready to make my first back post double crochet stitch. You're going to yarn over your hook one time. You're then going to insert your hook in between the stitch that you just worked and the next stitch that you would normally work into the top right here, right? You're actually going to insert your hook in between them through the back of your work. So it's going to poke out the front like this. You're then going to wrap it in front of that next stitch, and it's going to poke out the other side of that stitch, and this is what that's going to look like. You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through both spaces. This is where you would complete it like a regular double crochet stitch. Yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. That's going to be one back post double crochet stitch made. I'm going to make a regular double crochet into this next stitch right here. Again, start by yarning over your hook one time, insert it into the back of your work between that stitch you just worked into and the next one that you would normally work into. You're going to stick it in between them, and it's going to go into the front of this stitch and poke out the other side of that open space. Grab that yarn, pull it through both spaces, then yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. I'm going to make a regular double on this one. Yarn over your hook one time, insert it through the back of your work right here between those stitches. It's going to poke out the front, then you're going to take it in front of that stitch. It's going to poke out the other side of that open space. Grab that yarn, pull it through both spaces, yarn over, take that yarn through both loops, yarn over, take that yarn through both loops. I'm going to make another double crochet. So this is how those back post stitches are looking right now. And these are the double crochets in between them. So you can see these that are wrapped right here, those are the back post ones. Yarn over your hook, insert it in between these 2 stitches, and then through this other space right here, grab that yarn, pull it through both spaces, yarn over, take that through 2 loops, yarn over, take that through 2 loops. Regular double right here. Yarn over, insert in between those 2 stitches again. Yarn over, insert it in between those 2 stitches. It's going to poke out the front and then go in front of that stitch and poke out the other side. Grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, take that through 2 loops, yarn over, take that through 2 loops. Doing a regular double here. Last back post double crochet of the row. Yarn over, insert that hook through the back of your work in between these 2 stitches right here. It's going to poke out the front, then you're going to take it in front of that stitch. It's going to poke out the other side of that stitch. Grab that yarn, pull it through both spaces, yarn over, take that through 2 loops, yarn over, take that through 2 loops. I'm going to do a regular double right here to finish off my row. So this is how the front of your work is going to look. You can see that the double crochets, the regular ones that I made in between the back post, are more raised, and the back post ones are sort of recessed into the work, and they wrap around the posts that we worked around. And then this is what the back of your work is going to look like. And that is going to be how to make the back post double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. And you can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.